Today I'm just going to talk about some very essential things that we need to take note of. Now, in case your machine is using a vertical bobbin, which means you will have a bobbin case that is made of metal like this, right? It is very important that you do not drop the bobbin case. So you find you have a stitch problem because recently I dropped my bobbin case. So I find that I already have some issues, so I thought I will quickly show you. Yes, because I don't hope to keep on dropping my bobbin cases. This is a bobbin case. So you see the difference is these white lines were sewn. Can focus? Yeah, were sewn before I dropped the bobbin. You can clearly see how nice my stitches were without adjusting it. Now let's take a look at this red line. I just dropped my bobbin and I sewed. Can you see? There are some knots here. This is the lower thread coming out. This knot. Can you see this knot? That means the lower thread is no longer holding my upper thread well. So it's happening again here. Can you see this knot? Yes, here. This knot. So what that means is that when I drop my case, I could have affected the steel here. We might think that it is a small minor matter that we are going through here and here, because when we go through, the thread go here and here, this metal holds it, and how tight it is and all, it depends on that. When I drop the bobbin, it could have affected this, right? And that's why I want to also mention, do not simply buy your bobbin anywhere unless you know the bobbin case is trustworthy. Because there are many bobbin cases that are made with poor metal quality. So if the metal is poor quality, in the heat it may expand and it doesn't hold together very well. So that's when you won't be able to have very nice stitches. This is the white colors, 2 stitches is actually very nice, right? So this is just to show you how nice it can be. And when our bobbin is not doing its work so well, we have this kind of stitches that it was sewing well. See, it was sewing well here. Suddenly there will be a dot here. So it's not catching so well already. I think it can be captured and you can see it, the dots. And then you continue to sew. And then here, there's another one. Right? So these are things to watch out for. So don't drop your bobbin case if you are using this kind of bobbin case. The other thing that you cannot drop is your tailor scissors. Try not to drop your tailor scissors, because you drop it, somehow the scissors is misaligned and it's quite difficult to align the scissors again. So try not to drop your scissors. Do not drop your bobbin case if you are using this kind of bobbin case.